Hello friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. We were done with the meanings of our first unit, Who are your family and friends, in our previous lecture. Today we have to start our exercises of page 8 and 9 and we are doing the reading today. Let's start. Predicting from pictures. You know what's predicting? Predicting means when you guess, when you think what's happening in the picture. This is one picture. Can you guess or predict what's happening in this picture or what this picture is all about? This is a house. It has 2 rooms. My bedroom is big. I like my house. Now guess, predict what we are talking about in this picture. You are very smart. It's about a house. Now let us consider another example. Can you see what's happening in this picture? Look at my toy box. I have lots of toys. I play with them every day. Now, can you predict what we are talking about in this picture? You're very right. It's about a toy box. Let's start reading. We are attaching an audio along with it. Along with the audio, you are going to read with them. Let us consider the characters that we are going to talk about in this story. Seb. Seb is 7 years old. He lives with his mother, 3 brothers and 2 sisters. Mandy. Mandy is 8 years old. She lives with her grandmother and grandfather. She has only 1 brother. Kim. Kim has a very small family. She's only 6 years old and she lives with her mother. Which family is like your family? Can you guess? Seb, Mandy and Kim, they are all friends. Who are your good friends? Now what you have to do is, you have to do the reading of page 10 and 11. That's all for today.